Today I have two Binaca Blaster keychains from like the Binaca breath spray, and they were made in 1988, and these batteries and everything have been sealed up inside of these packages since 1988, and today we're going to unbox them, unpackage them, and see if they work. So it says right there, 1988, Express Yourself Incorporated, produced by the Empire Marketing Group, White Plains, New York, made in Taiwan. And then it just talks about Binaca Blaster, our trademarks of Rickett and Coleman Incorporated. It says on the top, give your breath a blast, fully armed with these sounds: phaser, gun, ray, phone, shield, bomb, M gun, and photon. So you know it's kind of back in the day when it says it's got a phone sound, so it makes a phone sound, because back then a lot of people didn't really have phones. Definitely not handheld phones like we have today. The difference I see in the two packages is that the one on the right, all the batteries are flipped down, and the one on the left, two of them are flipped up and one is flipped down. Also, the one on the left has a little bit of a crack or a space around the inside of the keychain on the side, and the other one isn't like that. So if you remember anything about Binaca, you used to be able to get that stuff anywhere. They still make it, actually, but not the old flavor. And you used to be able to get it everywhere. You'd see it in gas stations and convenience stores, grocery stores, and people used to pick them up and spray them in their mouth every time they were going out on a date with a girl or something like that. And it was a big deal back in the 80s. And I didn't know it, but they had made also a Binaca keychain. And that's what they look like. Also, you notice that the packaging has got staples in it. It's got the plastic overlaps the two sides, and it's got staples in it, and that's something you don't see anymore. Also, you don't see any barcodes or QR codes or anything like that. See the staple? Everything was a little bit more simple back then. So I'm going to go ahead on now. I'm going to open them up, and we're going to see if these batteries from 1988 will make this keychain work, if they still work, if they still have any power to them. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the one on the right hand side. I'm going to go ahead on and open this up. These batteries are 35 years old. I figure out which way they go in. Okay, I'm thinking go like this. Put one there. One there, and one. The last one's kind of hard. Automatically it's making a sound. It's unbelievable. 35 years old. Alright, so number one is a phaser. Number two is a gun. Number three is a ray. Number four is a phone. That one, it does sound weak, like it's dying. Number five is a shield. Number six is a bomb. Number seven is an M gun. Oh, it's a machine gun. And number eight is a photon. The phone one, it kind of, you can hear it. It sounds like it's going dead. But the fact that it still has any kind of power after that long, after 35 years, is absolutely amazing. I'll go ahead on now. I'm going to open the one on the right. This is the one that's sealed up tight. It doesn't have a crack in it like that one. Oh, that's all it took. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one up, put the batteries in. Sounds like it's going to do something. Alright, so we're going to try the phaser, the gun. Oh, this one It's not making it too good. Number 3, the ray. The phone. The shield. Number 7 is the machine gun. And number 8 is the photon. So if you can tell the difference. Like, listen to this one. This is the, let's go with the phone one, number 4. And on this one, the batteries have held up a lot better for 35 years than this one. And this one, the photon. The photon. Number 7, the machine gun. The photon. This one. Hear the difference. Sounds like this one's kind of struggling, whereas this one right here sounds like brand new batteries. I'm not really sure what kind of batteries these are. I don't know if you can see that or not, so I'll try to zoom up on it. If you can see that, I can't. That's what the batteries look like. I think you're supposed to look at them like that. And on the other side, it's just plain like that. So, that's about it. 1988 Binaca Blaster keychains. Binaca breath spray keychain. And it says the Binaca Blaster. Give your breath a blast. And I get, you know, it's not so cool these days, something like this is, but back in 1988 it was a big deal if you could walk around and you had a phone sound. All right, 35-year-old 1988 Binaca Blasters. It's 2023 now. Y'all have a nice day, and I hope you enjoyed the video.